in honor of Janelle. Nothing special. This is our first special right triangle. 45, 45, 90 triangle. So, a 45, 45, 90 triangle has the relationship for these sides. It's an isosceles triangle, which means two sides are the same length. So if these two sides here are both 1, this side is going to be root 2. It's going to be root 2 times whatever these sides are. If we put this into Pythagoras' theorem, 1 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. Solve it out. Okay, 9 kids are losers. I hope you can hear that on this. Okay. What's that? No, we times it by root 2. If this is 4 right here, we times this side by root 2 to get it. So this would be 4 root 2. That's just the ratio. You always times it by root 2. And that's how you do 45, 45, 90 triangle. Our second triangle, our second special triangle, is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. A 30, 60, 90 triangle. What is with you guys today? A 30, 60, 90 triangle has these side relationships. We have one side that's shorter than all the rest. We'll call that side 1. The hypotenuse of the triangle. The hypotenuse of the triangle, which is the one across the right angle, is always twice as long as the short side. And the longer leg, it's called, is always root 3 times the short side. And that's the relationship all 30, 60, 90 triangles have. You got to find what you multiply everything by. You got to find the ratio. And I will show you how to do that. I will. So I'm a good guy. So, 30, 60, 90 has these ratios all the time. So if we're going to solve for x, we match up corresponding sides of our original one, of our original triangle with the new triangle. We use these triangles, yes. And we match them up with the sides. Oh, okay. So we have, this is what we know. For a 45, 45, 90 triangle. This is 1, this is 1, this is root 2.
Okay, the other angle has 5.
The other angle is 5.
Sides are the same.
Yeah. So 1 here matches up with this 5. So 1 goes to 5. This root 2 matches up with x. The root 2 goes to x. So what times 1 gives us 5? 4. 5. So what times root 2 will give us x? 5. We times root 2 by 5. Oh, that's false. So we times root 2 by 5? Oh, wait. Where did it go? No, that's just our answer. Because that's the relationship between our two sides. This one's 1, this one's 5 times 6. Yeah, and then this side is also 5, so we don't figure it out. Because it's 1. We just want to find out.
Excuse the interruption. So, senior boys basketball players who can be released now from class to finish on. Thank you all, senior boys basketball players.
Holding you all questions. Okay, any questions on what you did there? What's your honor? I know. Where do you play your bagpipe again? Could you match them up? You match the corresponding sides. So how do we go from 1 to 5? 7 to 5. 9 to 5. So what do we got to do to find x? Times root 2 by 5.
So that's how it is. So I get.
This is 5 times bigger than this.
Okay.
So every 45, 45, 90. So what does our 1 match up with? And what about root 2? What times root 2 gives us 12? In order to find that, what we do is you take this number here and divide it by this number here. So we go 12 divided by root 2. 6. You have that root on the bottom.
8.
Okay,
We
don't want that to be wrong. Okay, we don't just bring this up here. We don't want that. Yeah, times the top and bottom by root 2. You just said the bottom. What's 12 times root 2? What's root 2 times root 2? Over 1, actually. You just have 6 root 2. So that's what we multiply. That's what we multiply our original triangle by to get our new one. So if we multiply root 2 by 6 root 2, we get 12. So how do we find x? Multiply what? We multiply our original triangle. We multiply 1 by 6 root 2 to get x. So what x equals? X equals 6 root 2. Are there any questions on what we did there? It's actually not too bad. Kids that went to curling will freak out because that's curling. Want to find something. We want to find x and y. So we know that root 3 matches up with 12. We know that x matches up with 1. We know that y matches up with 2. How do we find when we multiply root 3 by 12? By 12 by root 3, what do we get? 4.
Okay, times
Four root 3, so that's the way we multiply our original triangle by to get our new triangle.
That's an X.
I don't want to. No? Give someone to talk to. So, how do we find x? And x times 1 by 4 root 3.
Yes.
What do we get? Then we find y. Times what by 2? 2 times 4 root 3. What do we get? Times by 4 root 3. Times by a ratio. So we know root 3 matches up to 12. So we divide 12 by root 3. Find out what we multiply root 3 by to get 12. And then we got 4 root 3. So all our numbers in this original triangle, we multiply by 4 root 3 to give us our new triangle. So we just multiply 1 by 4 root 3, 2 by 4 root 3, we get our x and our y. Good?
Yeah.
Oh, there's